is the precise like brush. Mine, you can see that it's almost empty because I'm using a lot out of it, and I have a new one that I just got from my subscription box. My subscription box this month. So then if you never have too much precision glue gel, sneak peek, when you get your, you will get your own. But I'm gonna finish mine until I'm gonna using a new ones until I finish mine. But mine's almost like gone, you can see that. But it's still a lot for me to using it, because each time you're using a little go a long way. I am go ahead and using this end. I'm gonna use this end. To the purpose of this is really cool because it have a lockers, like, which is a brush, so then I can able to brush it on all the big metal pieces, which is that the skeleton hand, the pumpkin, and then the beads. I'm gonna take advantage. I'm gonna brush it on the spider legs. Don't apply it and brush it on the crystal. If it happen that you brush it on the crystal, do not worry. Just remove it first before you place it under LED light. So then that way it will not destroy your beautiful sparkle of your crystal. So I think I got it covered with a lot of bigger pieces. And I'm gonna go ahead and open the other end. In the other end, don't do this red cutaways. I have it all the time to keep it protects my precision glue gels. And then if you see, you're gonna go around and check, do a little exam right here if you're feeling scratchy. When you run through the crystal, and you can feel that too, and also your clients will also feel it, like, oh yes, Nancy is scratchy. You can feel that, and then you're gonna squeeze just that much. You don't need a lot. A little absolutely go a long way, and this will last you a long time. And the best about thing, you can still really wearing a stunning design without have to worry about getting on the hair and anything else, like your clothes. And the beads, I'm gonna seal the beads, seal all the beads. And because we're washing our hands a lot of hand sanitizing, a lot of cleaning the house, bleaching, the anomaly. So you want to make sure it protects all of this beauty to stay nice and not gonna turn tarnish. All right. You can keep in mind, you can definitely go back again if after you key in the client's, oh Nancy, I feel still scratchy right here. Then you can add it on, but make sure you fast key it 30 seconds first before you go back and seal it again, because you don't want your precision glue gel to just run it everywhere.